Good morning, VC. It's a wonderful Wednesday. We're your hosts, Gabby.
And I'm Caleb. Let's start out with today's lunch. Corn dog bites, baked beans, sun chips, cucumber slices, rosy applesauce, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Emily, and here's today's top 5 news stories. Military families turn to food pantries during government shutdown. Long John Silver's rebrands to include chicken options beyond its traditional seafood menu. CDC stops recommending COVID-19 shots for under Whitehouse pressure. Missouri man likely killed by a bear. He shared photos of his family days earlier. Trump's administration replacing its fired immigration judges with military layers.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Is multifarious. Many and of various types.
Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Babe Ruth.
With our beloved therapy dogs, let's hear about some of your other favorite animals.
My favorite animal is a tortoise. Aiden Taylor.
I'm Tyler George, and my favorite animal is a capybara.
My name is Eli Miller, and my favorite animal is the cow, Moo.
I'm Wesley Kohler, and my favorite animal is a tiger.
My name's Abby Corcoran.
My name's Lupita De La Rosa.
And my favorite animal is a giraffe.
Mine's a monkey.
Hello, my name is Landon Hendershot. My favorite animal is a gorilla.
My name is Logan Walk, and my name is Logan Walk, and my name is Logan Walk, and my favorite animal is a gorilla.
With our 4-day weekend, let's hear about some of your favorite movies you plan to watch.
I'm Levi Carroll, and a movie I watch every day is K-pop Demon Hunters.
My name is Ariel Finley, and a movie I watch every day is probably Moana 2.
My name's Lainey Hooper, and a movie I can watch every day is 10 Things I Hate About You.
Braylon Neal, and my movie is Cars.
I'm Spencer Crumrine, and I pick The Dark Crystal.
My name is Barry Mosqueda, and a movie I can watch any day is Dumb and Dumber.
My name is Julia Urick, and Blood In, Blood Out.
Hi, I'm Tristan Urick, and my favorite movie is Scooby-Doo and Bluey.
With changes in the horizon, let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, I'm Glendon, and here's today's weather. Today we'll have a high of 84 degrees with sunny skies and winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight we'll have a low of 59 degrees with mostly clear skies.
And now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
October 15th, 1946. In Nuremberg, Germany, former Nazi Air Force Chief Hermann Goering commits suicide behind bars. Goering takes poison just hours before his scheduled execution as a convicted war criminal for his role during World War II. 1917. During World War I, a French firing squad outside Paris executes the Dutch dancer Mata Hari, convicted of spying for the Germans. 1964.
Но я видел, я сомневаюсь, поэтому я хочу, чтобы вы, вице-президент, что вы даете...
A changing of the guard at the Kremlin as it's announced that Nikita Khrushchev has been removed as leader of what's then the Soviet Union. Alexei Kosygin becomes the new Soviet premier, while Leonid Brezhnev replaces Khrushchev as Communist Party chief. And 1951. I Love Lucy, the classic TV sitcom starring Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz, premieres on CBS. Today in History, October 15th. Tim McGuire, The Associated Press.